Good morning, sir. Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, brother. How are you?
I am fine.
Yesterday it was a very bad day for.
Yeah, you told some power or something went off, right?
No, it was like I have the backup power, right? So
Okay.
I started my PC and suddenly it busted.
Oh,
So I informed them. They said they will come back in 1.5 hour, but it take like 4 hour.
okay.
So they take it with them and fix it, and then came back like at
Oh, okay.
night. So how are you, sir? How are you?
I am fine. I am fine.
How is you see the chart?
Yeah, now, yeah, I want to share something interesting. And that
Yeah.
means I don't know whether is it right or wrong. So I'm not doing any trading.
No, 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 no. Listen, sir.
Ah,
You should not trade now
yes,
until unless I give you the signal like now you're ready.
yes.
Now you're ready to trade. Okay.
No, no. Why I'm not doing because first let me get into one understanding. So that's what. See, the maximum thing what I did is I am watching your video again, 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 again.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm trying to apply in the chart.
Right.
I am marking that. Then I see how it's going on.
Right. Now I'm going to add a little bit here with you,
O-
sir.
Okay.
Which is the video you have. The video you have
Okay.
is just a learning materials. First of
Okay.
all.
Okay.
And I personally believe no course, no learning materials never makes someone profitable.
Correct.
Right. Doesn't matter like you were you were you were with me for learning. Still I'm saying with you in the session, like learning materials never makes anyone profitable.
Okay.
What makes us profitable?
Hmm.
It only the application of that learning materials that you are taking as a knowledge. So how you are going to apply it? That's the
Okay.
question now.
Okay.
So you are going to apply it with a lot of wrong way,
Hmm.
right way. Like you send me few example, few are good and few you send. I said no, this is not the one, right?
Correct.
So now how it will help you to gain more knowledge. Basically, not knowledge, but the practical knowledge. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So what will happen, you are going to find a lot of thing in the chart right now,
Hmm.
and you are going to face a lot of problem now.
Correct.
Then it comes to, basically it is my job to fix those problems.
Okay.
Okay, so after few days or few session, you are going to get a community. I believe this is the one of the best thing I have created so far.
Okay.
The community where you are going to see like the improvement you are going to do by now with
Hmm.
me. It will be more faster and more like you are going to see an aggressive improvement in that particular group, because
Hmm.
like when you are posting something as a pre-trade
Hmm.
or as a labels, so
Hmm.
you are going to ask, this is the levels that I am seeing.
Hmm.
So there are same people who has learned from me, and they will answer yes it is or it
Hmm.
is not.
Okay.
Right. So when you are doing a lot of mistake and there are people who is there to
Mm.
correction those mistake,
Okay.
that's the improvement. That's the reason I said like you are going to do a lot of improvement. Like look at this.
Hmm.
People watch tons of learning materials. Still, they're not making it. Not making it. The only
Correct.
reason I believe, as I said in the first session, also like knowledge is okay, okay.
Hmm.
But specifically for this market, knowledge is not okay. You need
Hmm.
to know how to apply it, right? At the
Okay.
same time, remember what I said in the first session. Now, as it is the second time you and I are sitting for this something else, or
Yes.
maybe something new. I
Hmm.
told you like I am going to change the view of your chart reading. Remember?
Yes.
And did I?
Yes. Definitely.
Right. So how you see the chart now?
Yeah. I am. See. I think last Sunday we had our first day,
Right.
and then after the session, immediately I have to attend some function. I went with my family. and Monday evening only I got a chance.
Okay.
So then I watched the video again. I got little confusion. Then I put on hold. Again, Tuesday evening only started again.
Mm-hmm.
So then from Tuesday onwards, slowly I'm trying to understand. Then in that time only I tried to posted some chart reading.
Right, right, right.
So yesterday I felt I am better than Sunday.
Right. It's always same. Remember what I said also. Like I do not even care how many years you're in this industry, right?
Correct.
This is the beginning of your new phase. I used to, nowadays I do not say it that much, but I used to say it a lot. Like there will be two era of your trading career. One is before me, one is after me. Remember those movie? You said you're a movie freak last time, right?
Yes.
So there is a series of movie like before sunrise, after sunrise, something like that, right? Remember those movie?
Uh-huh.
So it is going to be with you also, like the same thing going to happen with you also. Like there are a few two phase actually, two phase. One phase is before me, like you have not you do not know me, you do not join me, you do not know how I trade. And
Correct.
the second phase is like you know me, you know how I execute and everything, right?
Hmm.
Now basically, as I said, knowing to me this market knowing has no value, to be
Hmm.
honest, no value, right?
Hmm.
Like those example you have sent me, few were very good and few still you count them,
Okay.
still you count them, but for my understanding it is not the one that you should look for.
Okay.
But your understanding, yes, this is the one that if you look that particular trade also, it went very well.
Hmm.
Like it keeps
Yeah.
it TP, but this is not the one. So
Okay.
you call them as a lucky trade, right?
Okay.
You
Yeah.
call them as a lucky trade. So now what problem you're facing now, and
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
how you're seeing chart, how you
Yeah.
used to read the chart and what you're seeing now.
I want to share you something.
Yes, sure, sure, sure.
Go to.
Can you have the screenshot, or if you want to share your screen, you
Ah,
can share it also.
yeah, sure. Definitely.
Okay.
I will go to Google.
Go to the bottom of your chart, you will see there is a sharing option. Ah, you are an IT guy. Whom am I teaching?
No. It doesn't mean, see, my kids, they are way ahead of me. I guess their usage is different. My usage. Some things I don't know what they are doing.
Right.
So you're also young guy. You know a lot of things. Yeah. So 1 second. Can you able to see that?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. This is the one yesterday. I saw in the 1 minute chart.